What are you doing, Zoe?
Egg.
Why?
Because the Easter bunny. I sound like because the Easter bunny comes.
You did.
Yeah. Pink. Ooh, orange.
Okay, did you find a real egg?
I did find this real egg and my real Zoe egg in another.
Okay, let's put those ones in the egg carton, okay?
What?
Let's put the real eggs in the egg carton, okay?
Okay. Can you pause it? Because I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay, happy Easter, okay?